Hello all. In this video, we will discuss a numerical on single phase AC circuit. So before we start, please subscribe the channel and like the video. In this numerical, there is a equation. A equation is given. So this is expression based numerical in which a expression is given and the quantities are asked. So let us see. An alternating current is given by the expression I is equal to 50 sin 628t. ये करंट की हमको इक्वेशन दी हुई है and we have to get the value of maximum value of current, RMS value of current, frequency of current, value of current after time 0.00625 second means instantaneous value of current, because here instant is given, time is given. Time taken by the current to reach a value of 20 ampere. Okay, so let us start. First of all, we will write the standard equation of sinusoidal AC current. I is equal to Im sin omega t. We all know this equation. Im is maximum value of current, sin omega is angular frequency and it is equal to 2 pi f. Okay, and the given current is I is equal to 50 sin 628 t. Okay, so these are two equations. One is standard, another is given in the numerical. So let us compare these two equations. Left hand side is equal, right hand side. Here you can see Im जो maximum value of current है, it is equal to 50. Okay, by comparison we can easily say that Im is equal to 50 ampere. So it is our first answer. Okay, maximum value of current is asked in the question. Now second, IRMS, we know the relation IRMS or effective value, whatever you call it, it is Im by root 2. Here I have to draw the root. So Im by root 2, after solving IRMS, the value obtained is 35.35 amperes. Okay, so it is our second answer, very simple numerical. Now third, frequency we have to determine. It is also very simple. Omega is 628. You can compare here. Omega is equal to 628. We know omega is what? 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by f, 2 pi f, angular frequency, it is equal to given 628. So after solution, frequency is equal to 628 by 2 pi. Frequency obtained is 100 hertz. You can easily calculate. It is 100 hertz. So this is our third Answer, frequency of current is 100 hertz. Okay. Now, value of current at time t is equal to 0.00625. So here instantaneous value is asked. Okay. And we know the formula for instantaneous value I is equal to Im sin omega t. So here it is given I is equal to 50 sin 2 pi f t. Okay, 2 pi f into t. Here we can also take directly. The given value is 628 t. 628 t. Okay, and the value of t is also given. हमको करंट की वैल्यू निकालनी है 50 sin 628 is given in question, multiplied by time is also given at the instant 0.00625. Okay, we have to calculate the current. So this current is 35.3. You can also calculate amperes. So it is what instantaneous value which is asked in the question. Okay. Now, in the next point, time taken by current to reach the value of 20 ampere. So here current is given. Current is given. Current दी हमको 20. 20 is equal to 50 sin 628 t. Okay. Now 20 by 50 is what? By solving this, sin 628 is equal to 20 by 50. 20 by 50 is 0.8. Okay. And after solving this, the value obtained of time interval is t is equal to 1.4766 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, seconds. Please write units with answer. So seconds. So it is a simple numerical. In next video we will see another varieties. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel.